Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, we got this cool, amazing product right here in my hand that's by the brand called Boltune. And for those of you guys who don't know, Boltune is actually under the same distributor called Sun Valley Tech, which is the same company that makes RAV power, power banks and speakers or whatever the company makes. So first thing first, let me actually unbox it and show you guys what comes with the package first and then test it out and whatnot. You get the instruction guide and manual on how to set up the product and what's on here. A quick starter guide so you guys can see also what's on here. So like all the setup and everything, all the different functionality here and like how to pair it, how to use it, how to use like the call, volume up, volume down. They provide the device right here, which is the actual Earbuds itself. And then here they provide you the cable right here, which is USB to USB-C, and then a couple other extra ear tips if you guys don't fit the one that they provide you. So you guys can see right there, there's a logo right there, the Boltune logo that they have. If we look on the back side right here, we have the USB-C slot where you guys can actually charge it up. And it's really cool because they use USB-C to charge the device, which means it was actually charged much faster than micro USB. And then basically right here in the front, you guys can see the 3 little lights or 4 little lights right here. That's how you guys know when the battery life is fully charged. So literally the moment you guys open the case itself, it actually power on, and then when you guys take it out, you guys can actually start pairing it. And you guys can see the indicator light on both headphones itself to show you guys that it's actually ready to be paired. So all you have to do is put it on like this, turn it, make sure it fits correctly. Kind of looks like a little AirPod design. So for these earbuds, it uses Bluetooth 5.0, so it definitely will connect faster, use easier, and it won't disconnect as much as like the older ones of the Bluetooth 4.0 and whatnot. So I'm gonna put these on right now and then test it out to see how well the audio performs and everything, and then come back and talk about the product. Well, I have to say that these earbuds are actually quite amazing. Pairing the device definitely didn't take that long at all. It actually paired really fast. Audio is actually really good. The bass on these is actually much better than I thought it would be. Really strong bass, but it didn't overpower audio, which is exactly what I like. I think the audio and the bass is actually better on here than the AirPods that I have from Apple. So what's cool about these is the fact that you can use it as a single or a twin. So what I mean by single and twin is you guys can actually use either one at a time or use both at a time. So if you guys want to have one ear open, you guys can do that. If you guys want to have both ears plugged in, you guys can do that as well. So you guys have that option on here, which is pretty cool. So now that we tested out and everything, now let's talk about the other specs on this product. So these headphones itself is actually waterproof. So by waterproof, I mean it's waterproof, not chlorine proof, not salt waterproof. So if you guys use this during the rain or something, it'll be fine. You guys don't have to worry about it and whatnot. Battery life. How long does the battery life last? They say that these last up to 40 hours and 6 hours of play time on one full charge. But for us to determine that, I'm actually going to test it out and then do an update video in the next video to let you guys know how it's been. Charging time shouldn't take that long, especially since it's a USB-C, but I'll definitely let you guys know in the update video to let you guys know how it's been. So now that we did the unboxing and testing of the product, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not for $45 for this product. But what I'm getting from this product, I have to say that these are actually really worth it because of the fact of how comfortable it is, how secure fit it is. The design of these is actually really nice to the point where it actually won't bother your ear or it's not too much around your ear and whatnot, and it actually feels really comfortable. Audio is amazing, bass is amazing, and then the price of this product is amazing as well. Like you're paying $45 for one of these, so that's basically saying like you can buy like 3 of these compared to one AirPods, and they perform even better than AirPods from what I know so far. We'll determine that later after we do like an update video for these products, but I have to say that these are actually quite amazing. But if you guys are not looking for AirPods or don't want AirPods in general, then obviously don't buy this product and save your money for something else that you actually do need. But other than that, that's pretty much it for the little unboxing, testing, and feedback about this product. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, then make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace. And then for today's G Squad Fan Shout Day, we have